In this video, you'll learn how to turn off notifications on the eBay app. By the end of this tutorial, you will have complete control over which alerts you receive from the app. Start by launching the eBay app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for the account menu, which is typically represented by an icon that resembles a person or your profile picture. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. After entering the account menu, navigate to the settings section. In this area, you should see various options related to your account. Locate the notifications preferences option, which will allow you to manage your notification settings. Tapping on this will open a list of different notification categories available within the app. Once you are in the notifications preferences area, you will see a list of various alerts such as orders, messages, and promotions. Review these categories carefully to decide which notifications you want to disable. This is an important step as it ensures that you only receive alerts that matter to you. After identifying the notifications you wish to turn off, toggle them off using the provided switches next to each category. Ensure that you keep important alerts enabled to avoid missing critical updates. Once you have made your selections, look for a Save Changes button and tap it to apply your new preferences. If a confirmation message appears, wait for it to disappear before proceeding. Once your changes are saved, exit the settings and return to the main app screen. If possible, trigger a test notification to confirm that the alerts you have disabled are no longer appearing. If you find that some notifications are still active, reopen the settings and repeat the process for any remaining categories. Verifying your changes ensures that your preferences are functioning as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.